Hey everyone, thanks for watching the OA Cheddar mini course on Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more information about who OA Cheddar is and where you can find these premium Amazon to Amazon flip leads, click the link below to go to our website or join our Facebook group. Links are in the description below as well as on the video. Thank you and enjoy the video. Hey everybody, if you're watching this video, it means that you have finished the OA Cheddar Cheddar Flips mini course. And I just want to say congratulations. I hope you the best of success with this sourcing method. I know we have seen success with our own business and seen the value that we have from Amazon flips. So in this video, actually, I am going to show you a nice little tip to set yourself up for success in the future by setting up alerts so that way you can have more replens in your business coming in. And the way we are actually going to be doing that is through Keepa. So right here I am on our vitamins on Amazon, and I'm going to come down here to Keepa, and I'm going to come over here where it says track product. And then I'm going to set up right here in the Amazon price a price point in which Amazon will alert me via Facebook Messenger when an item or when this particular item gets below a certain price point. And real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what that price point is. Now, we bought this item for about $17.79 because we were using a business price, which was excellent. But I want to say it was $20.99 at if you didn't have a business price. But there's still a lot of room to move around with on this item, and that was the lowest price that Amazon has ever had this item at. So I'm going to find a point in which I would still be buying this item, and I'm going to say right here at $28 is probably the most I'd ever want to pay for this pack of vitamins. I'm making a $10 bill with a 30% ROI or 36% ROI. So $28. So I'm going to come over here to track product, and I'm going to type in $28. And from there, I'm going to make sure that my Facebook Messenger is set up. It will also alert me via email. There's a push notifications that you can get through Chrome. So you just want to set those up, and the way you set those up is by going to keepa.com, going to your settings and making sure everything is set up properly, that you connect your Facebook with your Keepa account and all that good stuff. And with this, guys, what it's going to do is over time, as you're sourcing Amazon flips, if you're setting up a tracking on each one of these items, you're going to be over time you're going to start getting emails from and notifications from Keepa letting you know that, hey, an item that you have purchased in the past is now at the profitable range that you want to buy it at, and you can go back in and buy that item again and sell it. This works extremely well with items that you've seen success with and that you've already purchased from Amazon, sent in, and they sold, and you know for a profitable amount, and you liked it and you want to buy it again next time that Amazon drops the price. You want to start setting up these Keepa alerts, and you want to start tracking these products, every one of them actually, and over time you should start to see the benefit of this. So this is just a little pro tip for you while you're sourcing Amazon flips. It's a way to make replens a lot easier since you're buying it from Amazon. You guys, thank you so much for going through this course, and thank you so much for checking out Cheddar Flips. I hope it is as beneficial for you as it has been for us. We appreciate all of our customers and all that they do. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can tag me in a post on the Cheddar Facebook group. You can private message me if you'd like to, and I'll be happy to answer any questions as they come in. Other than that, you guys, thank you, good luck, and I will see you on the next one. Hey everyone, thanks for watching the video. We hope that you found it helpful and informative for your Amazon to Amazon flips. If you want to know more about OA Cheddar and the Amazon flips that we provide, please click the links below in the description and on this video. There is one for our website as well as one for our Facebook community that you can join. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you on the next one.